some motivational quotes of your life that can help you to success in your life. When someone pushes you down, you must get up and stand on your own 2 feet, even if you are scared to do it. Only you can set limits to your success. Smoking and drinking too much is not the way to fitness. Love your body and treat it good. There is price you pay when you want freedom of speech. You must be willing to accept the good, the bad, and the ugly when trying something out of the box. My family didn't find out until I told them, which was when I owned Penthouse Bed of the Year. They took it as well as I could have hoped. I am their daughter and they love me. So it was great when they didn't disown me. I don't give a shit if you don't like me. I have a wonderful and beautiful life. I will never let anyone get to me. I will never let anyone, man or woman, take me down. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.